Hello. Today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to make a how-to video, and the video we're going to make is how to make a buckle case. The one that I have is a little small, and I just wanted something a little bit bigger, so we're going to try something a little different today and see what we can do and come up with. We're going to try to use the recycled wood that I enjoy using. It's fence wood. It's back here in the back. I really like using it because it's obviously recycling, kind of like helping the environment in a small little salt grain way, but it still helps and it has character. So we're gonna try something out, see how it looks, and bear with me, and let's see if I can get something kind of cool with this stuff. Okay, so I kind of screwed up a bit. So when I made the frame was just too deep for the buckle, so you won't be able to see the buckle inside the frame. So what I did was I cut the frame in half. See? So it's a little thinner, inch and 3/4. And then I cut the boards that go in the middle the same size. So I have two frames. So I'm gonna make two buckle cases instead of one, and it'll be better. So I'm gonna keep continuing to try to document this and see how well it turns out. So far so good. I only had one little hiccup. The hiccup was it being too deep. You can't see the buckle, and then I hit a nail on one of the saws. But that's it. We'll continue to keep doing it and see how well it turns out. Cool. Okay, so I had some extra like weather siding. This looks like this, and what I did was I traced it along the back of the thing. If you can tell, all I did was lay it down and I went ahead and stapled it with an air gun. I had a little staple gun like this. All it does is do little staples. Put them in the back right there, right there. So I just basically just went around and traced it, got a pencil, cut it with the saw, and fit it in here. Now I'm going to sand it a bit, clean it up, and maybe stain it. So far so good. It's looking really great. I'm liking the way it looks. It looks rustic, trail running rustic, antique-ish, and we'll put it up on the wall and see what it looks like with all the buckles we put in there. So still got some things to do. Just going to sand it down, make it look a little old, and go from there. Okay, I found a old fast drying polyurethane. I'm going to try to put over it and see what it looks like. Should be easy and smooth. Got some stuff falling down. Just come along like that, just make it look great. Really simple. Don't worry about if you're gonna mess up or anything like that. Just be creative and enjoy the day and have fun with it. It's looking great so far. I will probably post a better I'll put the wire behind it so I can hang it up on the wall, and then put the metals up there and buckles and see how it looks. See if everyone approves. See how it works. I'm gonna make 2 of these though. One for Karen, one for me. So we're gonna do this one first, see if I did it right, and then if it looked great, I'm gonna do the other one. Okay, so this is while it's drying. It looks really great in the sun. I'll show you a little bit of what it looks like. Look at that. Really nice and shiny. It's got a great coat. I don't know how many buckles you can fit in here, but it's a little bigger than the other one I have. But I left the bottom portion. The reason why is because I didn't really measure the right distance and room, but I thought that if I would get a bigger buckle, they would fit in the bottom pieces instead of the middle pieces. So everything looks even, looks good. Welcome back. Wanted to show you the last update of the final product of the belt buckle case. And what we did is ended up making and putting these little loops for wire cable right there, so it hangs like that, similar to the other one on the case right here. And then we screwed on this little light fixture that we got on Amazon really cheap, and we attached it right here, and then you can turn it on just like that. There's a remote, and we're gonna we used a little wall fixture to pick that up. And then we're going to level it out. That's good. We got 3 buckles here. Murray. The horrible treadmill. Just like that. So we'll level them out. Already put them on the wall. We got this one right here. This one right here. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's something simple we thought we'd try out to do a how-to video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.